Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
In all of your experience, all of the fires, the floods, the tree through the roofs, all the restoration, water, smoke, fire damage you've done, what would you tell people about being ready for that? Prevention and preparation can go so far.
And you're absolutely right. We do talks all the time, and we help people identify the things that they can do to prepare. Because number one, human beings, we don't think it's going to happen to us, right? It's never going to happen to us. It always happens to the guy on the news or the guy down the street.
That's right.
It's not going to happen to us. So we sometimes tend to put things off. It's much like funeral arrangements, right? Or a will. How many people have gone out and done that? And there we know we're all going to experience that, right? There's no getting around that. So, but with the restoration, people just don't think about it. And then they don't realize there's things that they can do. You have things like that. People are inspecting their gutters, checking doing the things they can beforehand, because an ounce of prevention, right, goes a long way. And so few people don't think about it until it happens.